Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Anju's Cooking. Today I am going to make chole masala. Please do subscribe to my channel everyone. Add the overnight soft chickpeas to a pressure cooker, add turmeric powder, add 1 teaspoon salt, add 3 cups of water. Stir well. Pressure cook for 5 to 6 whistles on medium flame. Now let's have a look into the other ingredients. Few whole spices, 1 medium-sized onion finely chopped, one tablespoon ginger garlic paste and 1 green chilli, one medium tomato finely chopped, few curry leaves, and some masala powders. After adding some coconut oil, add the whole spices, add some cumin seeds, saute for 1 minute, add onions, saute well till it turns translucent. Add in the ginger garlic paste and green chilli and mix well. Add 1 teaspoon salt and saute it well. Now add in all the masala powders. Add 1/4 teaspoon asafoetida powder and mix well. Now add tomatoes and some curry leaves and mix well. Cook until the tomatoes turn soft or mushy. Now add in the pressure cooked chickpeas along with the water and mix well. Add 1/4 teaspoon kasuri methi, add 1 teaspoon brown sugar, add few curry leaves and give it a nice mix. Finally add 1 teaspoon ghee, it will enhance the flavors. Now cover and cook for 10 minutes on low flame. Chole masala is ready to be served. Chole masala is great to have along with rice, Batura or Chapathi. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to my channel everyone. Thanks for watching.